Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will talk about a Grow a Garden 2. So in this Grow a Garden 2, one of the biggest new feature is that players can now steal fruits and or plants from other gardens, but other players can steal yours too. And here's how it works. You can only steal from the garden that are unprotected. Look at the icon above the player's garden, and if you see the player's avatars, that means they are currently in their gardens and you can steal anything. But if the garden shows an open log icon, that means the owner is away and the garden is vulnerable, and you can head over and steal fruits directly from their plants like this. Just tap on steal and then just take it to your garden like this. And to make your escape faster, you can use a speed mushroom from the gear shop or a rainbow carpet, which can be purchased with Robux or obtained for free during rainbow events. And just like that. And if you don't want to your crops stolen, simply stay inside your garden while you're there. Other players won't be able to take your fruits. And okay, that's how stealing works in Grow a Garden 2. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.